that other street was going to turn that way.
That block looked alright.
Go this way?
Yeah, go and go. We're on West Chicago.
Alright.
I like these big old buildings, but we're gonna stay in this neighborhood. We're not gonna go to Dexter.
Okay.
Gosh. Go down Dexter and then turn down a side street.
To the left?
Yeah, we're gonna stay on this side of Dexter today.
Alright.
Go right down to this one, but let me get this. The bathroom. Oh, we've been down this street, but go. I got out. They tore this down recently. I'm glad I got that on camera.
Yeah.
But see, I got out. Remember these houses?
Yeah.
I got out before. Oh shoot, they tore the one down right here too, next to this one. Go right.
That one, it's real bad.
Right, but the corner one they fixed. It was in bad shape and they fixed it, but yeah, they tore that one. I can't believe they tore that one down over there. I got it on film though. Alright. Go ahead. Go ahead. See this corner one? It looks like someone bought it and working on it.
Yeah, they're working on it, right.
That's good. Remember there used to be tires piled up here last time.
That's right.
Remember it?
Yes, I do.
Should we go this way to get just that one? Or should we go straight? Yeah, we'll go straight and then we'll come back. Alright, let me get this guy. Bunch over here. Oh, yeah, just keep going to the end. I mean, go slow.
Oh.
But just go to the end, is what I meant. Man, look at the graffiti way up on that building up there.
Wow.
Let me try to see if I can get it. That's wild. Alright, go ahead. Go that way. Oh shit, you're gonna have to turn around. Unless you make it across that to the road. You should. That's what it's there for. Leads us right to a house.
To the right?
Go right, yeah. Oh, God. You'll be alright. That's just the bottom of it. Just go straight for a little bit.
Alright.
That was a little bump.
Ooh, I just got a whiff of pot.
Big time. Could have went down there. Let's go down the next one, then we can go by that big building.
All right.
Oh, here's one. Yeah, what is that in the road? A cat?
Yeah.
Go right down Humphrey and go slow. There's a lot of old houses. They're in good shape, but I like getting the old ones. Go ahead. That was the cool trail we went down. Oh man, I wanted to get that house, but not with them outside. That's rude. Here's that building. Oh no. This building's surviving. I drive by it all the time. St. Paul's Elderly. We said we were gonna stay this way, so go right. St. Paul Zion. We'll go down more, then come back up.
All right.
From like towards Joy. I'm not filming you, bro. A lot of people outside today.
Yeah.
It's nice out. Looks like they're getting ready to fix whatever was right there. That's been a lot more torn up. I don't get this way on Dexter too often. I don't go north of Joy. I'm a south of Joy boy. Let's see. We came from there, so no, you're good. Go straight. Ooh, look at that church to your right. Oh, you can't turn down here. One of these side streets. Oh no, I meant the other way. You're good. You're good. Go now. Oh my goodness. You're just guessing wrong the whole time. I wanted to show you that church.
Okay.
But this is a good street to get. Just go down here.
Yeah.
Watch out for this guy. And then we'll go back and cross. Okay, he's
No,
turning.
he's
Give him.
turning.
You're good. Give him a loop. Give him room. Now go slow here so I can get all these.
All right.
All right. Go ahead. I'm going to have to end this soon. It's almost like 20 minutes. Go down. Oh, let me get this one. I'm sorry. They're everywhere, you know. Ooh, that roof's bad. I can't believe they haven't tore this down. Look at the roof.
Yeah, I seen that all caved, punched in.
This whole row, you know. These are
look good.
Yeah, this is a nice block. You can go normal speed on this block. I think we might have hit this block actually. Go straight across Dexter, even though it's nope, do not enter. Go down one over here.
Alright.
Because Joy's right back there. Right there is Joy's, so I'm right by where I stay. I know that good. Go down Edison. I want to show you this church. And this is another good spot. Go slow. Someone buying that house. There's some teardowns. Oh, this guy's out fixing it good. Nice. Look at that old house.
Oh, yeah.
We'll go this way. It's real bad.
Alright.
Wow. You're gonna have to go real slow because I mean it's like 5 in a row. Alright, go ahead. I don't know if we've been here or not. We've been so many places,
Right.
you know.
Don't look familiar to me. There's a cat in that house.
Right.
Look at it in the window.
Where?
This house. Or did he jump down?
There he is.
Yeah.
Oof, I'm getting your face.
Sorry.
Alright, go ahead. Slow down.
Even cats find homes.
Oh, of course. Go ahead. Stop it here. Alright, let me get this side. Okay, go ahead. And then one more, and then I'm going to end this one and start another one. Because
Alright.
it's 20 minutes. No one's going to watch it after 20 minutes.